Hey, it's Annie, and I'd like to share with you a recent project that we completed. It was a senior tub to shower conversion. When our client called, she had been looking for someone reasonable to help them do this for her mom for, she says, a year. So we have a picture of the before shower tub combo and then the after walk-in shower here. And when we scroll down, she was concerned about how she could help her mom have easier access to bathe since she was having mobility issues. She has a lovely tub shower combo here, but she just was not able to access that tub area. So the first thing we needed to do is to prepare for the demo. We covered the floor to protect it as we worked, added a plastic zipped doorway to the door area, trying to keep the dust and debris as minimal as possible when you're having, construction going on in your home. Then it was important to us, as well as to the homeowner, that we cover the areas that weren't going to be demoed just to protect them, again, from dust, debris. So that's what we did there. We also covered those interior doors in the bathroom. One went to a linen closet, the other went to her walk-in closet. And then we covered the floor to protect it since it was in great shape and we weren't making any changes to it. Did someone say demo? My favorite words, along with Chip Gaines. Yes, time to demo that old tub and shower. So we're going to inspect that area before we begin. It's all been removed, and look how nice and clean the guys left the area. This is very important to us as well as to our homeowners. We like to keep things clean. We had to check the area and the plumbing, and we prepared for the next step. Is this shower pan installation. So here you can see the shower pan's been put in place. We have to make sure that it's level. And then once it has been waterproofed and put in place and level, a water test is done just to verify there's no leaks with the assembly and to make sure that we have successful waterproofing installed. Our client chose Wilsonart wet walls, which are a more budget-friendly way to do a shower than traditional tile. These are large panels that will cover the wall. They are very user-friendly, antibacterial, a great product to use. You can see they've been installed, and in the top picture, we've got the panels secured, as well as in this center picture, just until the panels have had time to cure. Then we remove all of that, and look here, it's finished. Now, we did have to finish installing the plumbing fixtures in the shower, and then you see the frameless shower doors were installed. And this particular system is different than ones I've seen before, and I love the way it looks. A roomy walk-in shower, and look, a low threshold, which allows for easier access for those who are aging in place or have mobility issues. The final product, a beautiful walk-in shower for their mom. So here again is a before and after shot. And our excited client, because mom now is excited that she can get in there and take a shower and bathe without having to worry.